Hello folks, welcome to TopekaKnives.com. We're looking at a really cool knife from Buckshot Knives. This knife is 4.5 inches closed. It has a 3.5 inch satin stainless steel blade. It is 8 inches overall. It has stainless steel bolsters, which are also like a brushed satin. It's got G-10 handles, which are nice. It seems like a really good quality knife for the price. It's heavy, but it's not real heavy. Reminds me of the Buck 110 model. The knife is assisted opening, and it's pretty quick. You can see the blade is also satin. It does have a liner lock. It's a really nice knife for the money. Once again, thank you for visiting my website. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.